Here's how to make a faceless YouTube script with Chatgpt. This is gonna change our lives forever. Here we go, we're on Chatgpt. Can you write a list of 10 viral YouTube titles to help investors beat the stock market by following Warren Buffett's tips? And here they're writing the titles. And then, can you write a YouTube video on Warren Buffett's 7 secrets to successful investing? Sure, here's a potential outline. So it actually doesn't write the script for us? Excuse me, Mr. Chatbot. Can you make each paragraph longer and add an introduction and outro in total 1,400 words? Sure, I'll do that for ya. Oh my God. So as you can see right in front of your eyes, this is some of the most impressive AI model I ever seen. And I'm getting hyper obsessed on how to turn this into a high quality video and actually get success on YouTube with AI software. So just follow me for that. It's going to be a journey, but come along with me.